It's peppermint time of year. Pumpkin time is over. It's now peppermint. Peppermint for Christmas. We're all done with pumpkin. So I'm making a chocolate peppermint creamer. This is going to be dairy-free. You don't have to have it dairy-free. This is a cup of coconut milk. You can use coconut cream, almond milk, hemp milk, or heavy cream. You can use whatever you want. So to this, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of cocoa. I like Valrhona. I'll put a link to it. I get mine on Amazon. It's a nice, dark, rich cocoa. You could add a half a teaspoon of peppermint extract or maybe a quarter of a teaspoon. It depends on the extract and how strong it is. And you can add liquid stevia or any sweetener you want. I don't like to add a lot of sweetener because I personally don't like sweet coffee. So if you're sharing this with somebody, don't put the sweetener in. Let them sweeten their own. If it's just for you, add as much as you like. This is peppermint cookie flavored stevia that I get on Wellevate. It's not overpowering in the mint. So I like to use this, and it adds just the right amount of sweetener. How I'm going to do this today, you can use an immersion blender, you can do whatever. I'm just going to shake it up and hope that the cocoa dissolves. I have my cup of coffee waiting, and you just pour some in. Stir it up. And taste. Just the right amount of peppermint, just the right amount of sweetener. The cocoa didn't completely dissolve, so you might want to use an immersion blender. But oh, this is so good. Enjoy your chocolate peppermint coffee or mocha peppermint.